Hey, what's up, everyone? What if I told you that most e-commerce businesses fail not because of their products, their marketing, or even their website design, but because of something that happens after the customer clicks buy? Today, we're tackling the silent killer of online stores: inefficient and expensive shipping operations. The statistics are sobering. 90% of e-commerce startups fail within the first 120 days. Nearly 80% of successful stores say shipping strategy was crucial to their survival. The average small e-commerce business overspends on shipping by 20% compared to its larger competitors. While everyone focuses on getting traffic and conversions, it's what happens after the sale that often determines whether a business survives or becomes another statistic. Before we dive in, we've partnered with this service because it can save you money. There's a special link in the description that lets you try it completely free. If you decide to upgrade later, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Here's why shipping becomes the breaking point for so many promising online stores. First, there's the margin erosion. When you're paying retail rates for shipping while trying to offer competitive prices, each sale can actually push you closer to bankruptcy. Second, there's the operational inefficiency. Hours spent comparing carriers, printing labels, and handling logistics are hours not spent on growth activities. Third, there is the impact on the customer experience. In the age of Amazon Prime, customer expectations are higher than ever, and failing to meet them can result in one-time buyers instead of loyal customers. Finally, there's the scalability problem. A shipping strategy that works for 10 orders a day breaks down completely at 100 orders, creating a growth ceiling that many businesses never break through. I recently interviewed several e-commerce veterans who all shared the same insight. The businesses that thrive are those that solve their shipping challenges early. This is precisely why tools like Easyship have become essential to e-commerce survival. Unlike many aspects of business that require complex strategies and execution, shipping is a problem that can be solved mainly with the right platform. Let's break down how addressing your shipping strategy with a tool like Easyship can turn this potential failure point into a competitive advantage. First, there's the immediate impact on your bottom line. Easyship gives businesses access to discounted rates from over 550 carriers, up to 91% off retail prices. For instance, a store shipping 100 orders a month could save up to $500, which could be reinvested in marketing or product development. For many stores, this difference alone can transform a money-losing operation into a profitable one. Importantly, these aren't just savings on domestic shipments. The platform also optimizes international shipping costs, opening up global markets that might otherwise be financially inaccessible to smaller sellers. Then there's the operational transformation. Automated shipping rules, bulk label printing, and streamlined workflows can reduce shipping-related labor by up to 80%. One store owner I spoke with went from spending 3 hours daily on shipping tasks to just 20 minutes, freeing up valuable time to work on product development and marketing. The impact on customer experience is equally significant. Easyship enables businesses to display accurate delivery times and costs at checkout, automatically generate tracking information, and create branded tracking pages that keep customers engaged during the delivery process. This level of transparency and professionalism elevates the post-purchase experience from a potential disappointment to a competitive differentiator. Perhaps most importantly, having the proper shipping infrastructure in place creates a foundation for sustainable growth. As your order volume increases, the systems scale with you, preventing the operational bottlenecks that sink so many promising e-commerce ventures. Let me share a quick success story. A handmade jewelry business was on the verge of closing after 6 months of operations. Their products were popular, but shipping costs were consuming nearly all of their profit margin, and the owner was spending more time at the post office than creating new designs. After implementing Easyship, they reduced shipping costs by 35%, automated their fulfillment process, and were able to offer free shipping on orders over $75. Within 3 months, they doubled their average order value and reduced fulfillment time to under 10 minutes per day. Today, that failing business, which was on the verge of closing, ships hundreds of orders monthly to customers worldwide, and the owner has more time to focus on what she loves: creating beautiful jewelry. Today, that failing business ships hundreds of orders monthly to customers worldwide. Now, I want to be clear, implementing a shipping solution isn't a magic wand. You still need great products, effective marketing, and solid customer service. But fixing your shipping strategy removes one of the biggest obstacles to e-commerce success. If you recognize any of these shipping challenges in your own business, I strongly recommend checking out Easyship. Click the link in the description to sign up for their free plan, no credit card required, and see how much you could be saving. When you're ready for more advanced features, their professional plans come with a 14-day free trial. Don't let shipping be the reason your e-commerce store becomes another statistic. With the right tools and strategy, you can turn this common failure point into your competitive edge. There's hope for a successful e-commerce journey with the right approach. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that subscribe button for more actionable e-commerce insights. Drop a comment, letting me know what shipping challenges you're currently facing in your business. I'd love to help troubleshoot. Thanks for watching.